Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get subscribers in YouTube and how you can get video views and how you can get example if you want to have Facebook followers or Instagram followers. If you want Instagram also, I will show you one website that can help you with this. So if you like it this far, then first of all go subscribe my channel and don't forget to make a like and comment in this video if you really like it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you this website called Addmefast.com. And in Addmefast, you can come to this website to get video likes or subscribers in YouTube. Or you can, if you want Facebook pages, if you want followers in Facebook or something like this, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, here is their front page. They also say it's #1 in social media marketing platform. And this is really, really great. They have 10 years of free social media marketing with Addmefast. So Addmefast have been a company that have been here for 10 years now. And first of all, you're gonna, of course, make a profile in here. And as you can see, I already have a profile. So I will show you here in something called My Sites. In My Sites in Addmefast.com, you're just gonna add if it's gonna be Facebook likes or example YouTube subscribers, you're gonna take your link from YouTube and then you're gonna put it inside this video. And in this website, you can decide how many CPC you want people to get when they watch your video. How you get your points is if you want to buy them, you can buy them, or else you can also go example make Facebook likes. Then you can see here in Facebook likes, okay, this one says you will get 20 points for liking this one. So you can go and you can like this one, then you will get 20 points to your account. And if you're under 100, then they will say example that there is no more inside here. But if you have more than 100, then you can just keep liking or make Facebook post likes, or you can get Instagram followers. TikTok also have this one for TikTok followers or something like this. And they also have TikTok video likes, so you can go other people's video and then you can get points for this one. As you can see here, example YouTube subscribers. If you just keep doing this one before you put your own YouTube inside this program, you can just go subscribe other channels and then you will get points for this one also. And that point is really, really, really great for you. So it's gonna be if you go to subscribe example other people's channel, maybe they will subscribe yours also. Or else you can just put it inside the program, and then when you have enough points, you can say to people okay, I will give you 10 points for go subscribe my channel, or if you are going to have people to watch your videos, if you want to be more popular in here. This page is a really, really good way to do it. So if you also want to have more subscribers, or you want to have more video views in YouTube because you want to earn more money from YouTube, then this website is the perfect fit for you also. I also use this website for my channel because I'm totally new in YouTube. So for me, this website is really perfect because it's an easy way to go on top and be #1. And I also want this to happen for somebody else. So this is why I example show this one. So over here on the left, you can go inside this one and say buy points. So if you don't want to sit like I did and go make likes in Facebook, follow people in TikTok like this, you can go in here and you can buy points. Then you can see here it's 3,000 points. It's for $10. And then you can also get 540,000 points for $1,000. And as you can see down here in the right, it just popped up here that people they are buying also. And right now they have for each packages you will get 30% more points, which is if you have 540,000 points, then you will get 30% more points than only this one. So if you're also new in YouTube, or you just want to have more Instagram followers or something like this, this page is for you. So the other thing I'm going to talk about is like how you can get subscribers, like how many subscribers you can actually get in just 1 hour. And if you have enough points, then people, they will really go subscribe your channel. Like you can get up to like between 1,000 and 2,000 subscribers in just 1 hour, which is really, really great for you if you are new on YouTube, or if you're already like really famous and you just want some more followers and some more views or something like this. This is also really, really great for you. It's an easy way to earn more money in YouTube. So if you like this video from today, please go subscribe my channel, go like my other videos and go watch them also, because in my other videos I talked about like how you can earn money online or my top 5 crypto coins. So if you like this video, please do this. And also thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.